Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to do a quick tutorial, I guess, on this look. Not necessarily like the face, but mostly like the eyes and of course the lips. I am excited to try out Let's Do Makeup's new lippy collab with Liveglam. So she did collab with Liveglam again for her second lippies. So this is the Love collection, which comes with 3 lipsticks, all matte of course. And yeah, they're like everyday colors. Colors are honestly amazing. I hope you guys like this video. There is a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. A giveaway, of course. I'm giving away a set of these lippies to one of you guys as an appreciation for being such amazing followers. I want to give you all the opportunity to give these lipsticks a try. But yeah, let me shut up talking and let's get started. Alright, so I did already start off with my eyebrows done. I didn't really want to get into that. If you guys have already checked out any of my other videos, I do my eyebrows on camera. This will be a Liveglam times Let's Do Makeup video. So I will be using her palette that she launched with, of course, Liveglam. I'm going to honestly make this as simple as I possibly can, just because I'm not even good with this whole thing. So we're gonna go in with some cake. I'm just going to like pack this on my eye right here, blend this right in. I'm not sure, I don't remember honestly when she launched this, but she launched this with, like, once again with Liveglam. This palette is no longer available, so if you guys were thinking of getting it, unfortunately it was only like for, I guess they only had like a certain amount of palettes and that was it. Later on in the video I will be showing her new collab with Liveglam, which is the lippies, which I'm so excited to use. I haven't used them. This will be my first time using them. I do like to do my eyes first before like my whole foundation and stuff, because I'm very messy. Like, I'll bring the color out all the way over here because I know that I'm gonna be going in and cleaning that up with, like, you know, whether my concealer or my foundation, whatever it is. So I think that's enough cake on this eye. I look like a mess, honestly. Okay, let's do the other eye. I'm going to go in with a smaller little brush, and I'll be going in with 915. And I'm just gonna tap this like on the crease. Just pack it on there. So then after I pack that on there, I'm gonna go back in and just like blend it out. And just like blend out the outside of it. I think it might have been a little high with the color. No need to panic. So I'm just gonna grab like a neat little brush like this, blend it out as much as I possibly can so it's less harsh on there. Now I'm going to grab like a little pack brush, and I'm gonna go in with Wrongo, just like get a little bit, and I'm gonna again put this like in the crease. Pack. And then I'm grabbing this little brush and I'm just like trying to blend this out. Make sure your arm falls off with all the blending you do. Out and in. Out and in. It's looking alright. Honestly, eyeshadow always looks a little bit crazy while you're doing it. But then like the end result with lashes and everything, it's like, wow, I did that. I'm gonna go in with Christina, and I'm just gonna go with the flat brush and kind of like tap it on the inner corner. Just tap. Okay, so I've packed on the gold. I'm just gonna go in with the same brush that I used to pack on the brown and just kind of like blend these out together so the line doesn't look harsh. And the same with this one. Oh, I actually really like this. It's a little bit harder to see it through the monitor, but I'm gonna clean this up now So I'll be going in with my foundation. The rest of this video, I do just want to fast forward. I don't want to bore y'all. Enjoy this fast forward. Just kidding, that was just me going really fast. Right here, I'm going to do it very gently so I can try to clean up the edges. Applying a little bit of concealer. Again, I am going to fast forward through this because you guys have seen this in my other videos. So I went and applied some lashes. I feel like lashes do make everything come together. So I'm going to go ahead and add some hello to my inner corner. Can you guys please let me know in the comments below if any of you guys watch Les? Like, I'm obsessed with her. Like, she's so humble about everything. Like, she's caring as hell. I definitely do recommend that you guys check her out if you do not follow her. Finished my face. Now I am so excited to show you guys the lippies. So it's of course our beautiful Les, baby mama, and then on the back it's a picture of her and Alex, and then the 3 lipsticks. The name of this collection of course is the Love Collection, and the names that she picked out, they're amazing. Like, they seriously fit perfectly. So we have Baby Mama, Baby G. These are the 3 lipsticks. I'll go ahead and swash. So Baby Mama, Baby Daddy, Baby G. I did purchase her last collection that she did with Liveglam, so this is her last collection. We have Baby Girl, Cristal, and Tequila. This is her old collection, and that's Nacho right there. Hi. And this is her new collection. Old, new. This collection I believe is still available, so I'll leave the description and all that down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. I actually had my cat pick and he picked Baby Mama. His little paw went towards Baby Mama. So I'm just gonna outline my lips real quick. So the color I lined my lip with didn't even go, but these smell really delicious. So I used Baby Mama and I'm popping a little bit of Baby G in the middle. Just smack your lips. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this, and as I mentioned in the beginning, there is a giveaway with this video. I know I haven't done giveaways in a while, so because I love Les so much, I did go ahead and purchase 2 sets of lippies. So of course one is for myself and then another one is for this giveaway. I do want one of you guys to be able to get your hands on this because honestly the formula is perfect. Like, it dries matte. It's not like a sticky matte or like a super harsh dry matte. The formula smells delicious as well. It is a long wearing. I have I have joined their subscriptions. So I built up my lipstick collection with Liveglam because they are a monthly subscription. Every month for a flat rate of $19.99, they send you 3 lippies, and that's every month. Like I said, they have a couple subscriptions which I'm part of as well, like their eyeshadow club or their brush club. Like, it's a very affordable way to build up your makeup, especially if you know, you're on a budget, Liveglam is an awesome company, because even if like a certain month you're not able to afford the lipsticks, you could skip that month, you could cancel at any time, you could trade. Like if you don't like the colors of lipsticks that you're getting that month, you could like trade it for one of their eyeshadows or like some brushes. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. I hope you guys do check them out. I am gonna leave their website down below, so you guys can go ahead and give them a look if you're interested in purchasing, or even purchasing these lipsticks. That'd be awesome. I hope you guys like this. Now for the giveaway, it's going to be a little bit different than my past giveaways. So for this giveaway, you of course have to be subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, and I will be leaving my Instagram link down below. I will be posting a video with this look, with as well the description as the same as the caption of this video, so you guys know which one I'm talking about. You must go like that picture and leave me a comment there. Say hi, say something nice. Don't say anything mean, because you for sure not winning. My Instagram is Slice of Bane. I will be leaving it as well right here on the screen somewhere. Again, it is in the description. Best of luck to all of you guys who joined. Guys and girls, all are welcome here. This giveaway will end September 7th. So September 7th, I will be picking a winner and announcing it in my video of the week for that week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join the giveaway, subscribe, like, and join the giveaway. Bye!